So guys, now I have reached our farm. This is our farm. You can see this is sugar again, and this is our entry with coconut trees. This side coconut trees we have cut due to sunlight was not going to our crops properly. That's why we have cut. And this is short sugar cane because of sunlight. It is not growing properly. And this is our veer. You can see that there is a veer also. And this is our bush. And this is mango farm. I will show you all the mango. Very big mangoes. And tasty. These are mangoes. Very nice mangoes. Hurry. Yes, you can see this type of mangoes we prepare here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 trees with lots of mangoes, and its taste is also very good. Yes, what a view. You can see the views, guys. See views. No, sorry, view. Peaceful place. Now guys, we will go upside because there is also our farm. That is our kotha. I will show that also. Come, let's go. I will kick the bike. This is the upper view of the farm. This is our maina. I will show you guys upper shadows. This is our upper side sugar cane, by the way. And that is our kukud palan. That our plan flopped. That's why we have stopped that and we have thrown that land as it is. And this is our first kukud palan, which was a fail. Due to that, we have stopped the plant. Yes, guys. Here also we have 2-3 mango trees. And this is our we're here. This is our weir, big weir, main weir. Very cold pani. You can see, guys. We are also have shetala in our farm, but it is that side. I will go there and show you guys. I have came at downside kotha. This is our kotha, and this is our Monty. Cute Monty. Here also, guys, we have one weir, and that side we have sugar cane. Whole farm is of sugar cane till the highway. And this is our short weir. Now it is not having water. I think it is not having water because it is cold. And first I showed that side farm. Monty. पळतो मला बघून पळतो. And this is our second bullet, guys. Newly modified. Now we will go to that Kiri farms. This side there is Chikul, I think Chikul. This is another sugar cane. Let's guys, we will go to our cage. So guys, you can see that I will zoom it. This is a kiwi farm. I will show from near. It is very hard, guys, to work in the farm. These drips are for kili only, guys. We give water from these drips to kili for their growth. But view is very nice. You can see the view, sky view. So guys, now I have reached the kili farm. Very flop plan because of very much, what we say for that, loss of crop because of rainfall, excess rainfall. And this is our kshetra. I will show that also. Kshetra. This is our kshetra. Very much big. Here there are mashe also. There is also a video. I will add an old video that here we do fish farming and mote मासे. Sorry guys about English. Thank you. This was our farm tour. There is our mama here. I will meet him and go for home. That's it for the day, guys. If you like the video, like, share, subscribe. Thank you.